Good morning, student. Today I am going to start derivative of infinite series. When a function is given in infinite form, suppose some number 1, y equals to x to the power x to the power h dot 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 to the infinity, like this form, we can differentiate it using log, and look here y equals to x, this means also y, x to the power infinity, that is y equals to x to the power y also, because x to the power x to the power x to the power x to the power c, that is also infinity. Now taking log both sides, log y equals to y log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx equals to, this is u, this is v, y constant, log x is derivative 1 by x plus log x constant, y derivative dy by dx. We have to prove dy by dx equals to y square over x 1 minus y log x. So here you have to take dy by dx one side, then dy by dx 1 by y minus 1 1 by 1 minus log x, dy minus log x equals to y by x. Then dy by dx y 1 minus y log x equals to y by x. Then we have to get dy by dx, dy by dx, y will come this side, that is y square over x 1 minus y log x, that is right hand side. Similarly, let us, in this way we can get right hand side. Sum number 2, if you have y equals to root over of sin x plus root over of sin x plus root over of sin x to infinity. Look here, yes, here is from here, this is also y, to y equals to root over of sin x plus y. Then squaring both sides, y square equals to sin x plus y. We have to prove dy by dx equals to cos x over 2y minus 1. Now y square is this. Now differentiating both sides respect to x, 2y dy by dx, sin x derivative is cos x minus dy by dx. Now dy by dx right hand side, dy by dx 2y minus 1 equals to cos x. Therefore dy by dx equals to cos x over 2y minus 1. This is the infinite series. You can do any sum using this method if you have sum like this in infinite series. Okay, next let us do few sums, derivative respect to one function, derivative of one function with respect of another function. If you have sum like this, differentiate sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square. You have to differentiate these with respect to this. Then you choose, let u equals to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Suppose this is v. Cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. You have to differentiate u with respect to v. Differentiate this with respect to v. That is, we have to find du by dv. First, let put x equals to tan theta. Then theta equals to tan inverse x. Now first one, du by dx is, first of all, u equals to sine inverse 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta equals to, this is sine 2 theta formula, that is sine inverse sine 2 theta, because sine 2 theta 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta, that is 2 theta. So u equals to 2 theta. 2 theta value is tan inverse x. Then differentiate with respect to x. Du by dx equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. Keep it. Similarly, v equals to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. That is cos inverse, this is cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. That is cos inverse cos 2 theta, that is 2 theta, that is 2 tan inverse x v. So dv by dx equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. We have to find du by dx. Now du by dv equals to du by dx over dv by dx. Du by dx is this, 2 by 1 plus x square, 2 by 1 plus x square over 2 by 1 plus x square, that is 1. Therefore, differentiation value is du by dv equals to 1. That is your final answer. Next, sum number 2. Similarly, differentiate tan inverse root over of 1 plus x square minus root over of 1 minus x square over root over of 1 plus x square plus root over of 1 minus x square with respect to cos inverse x square. Let this is u equals to this, let this is v equals to this. Now put x equals to x square equals to cos 2 theta. Here is 1 plus cos 2 theta formula you know. Then 2 theta equals to cos inverse x square. Theta equals to half of cos inverse x square. So u equals to tan inverse root over of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root over of 1 minus cos 2 theta over root over of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root over of 1 minus cos 2 theta. that is tan inverse. It is 2 cos square theta, that is root 2 is common. Cos square theta minus, that is cos theta minus sin theta. Square root remove over root 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, that is 2 root 2 cos theta plus sin theta. Root 2 will cancel. Now divide cos theta, numerator denominator, you will have tan inverse 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta into 1. That is tan inverse, we can write directly tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan inverse tan A minus 1 means tan pi by 4. This tan pi by 4 minus tan theta, 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. That is tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. That is pi by 4 minus theta value is half of cos inverse x square. This is u. Then du by dx equals to minus half, then minus 1 by root over 1 minus x to the power 4. That is 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x to the power 4. That is du by dx. Similarly, dv by dx equals to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x to the power 4 for this. Into, for x square this is 2x. Now du by dv समान du by dx by dv by dx, that is 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x to the power 4 into root over 1 minus x to the power 4 by 2x. Here is x square, cos of x square, here is also 2x. For x square there will be 2x, then into 2x. Cos inverse x square, this also 2x. 2x to this cancel, this is, and that is answer is half. And here was minus. Answer is minus half. Sum number 2. Here du by dx is this. For x square there will be 2x. dv by dx there is x square, this 2x. Now du by dv समान du by dx over dv by dx. And division multiply and reciprocal, then we got half answer. Then sum number 3. Here differentiate cos inverse 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse 3x minus x cube over 1 minus 3x square. Put x equals to tan theta. Then theta equals to tan inverse x. Now let this is u and this is v. Then u equals to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. You know 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, tan 2 theta. That is cos inverse cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta, that is 2 theta, that is 2 tan inverse x u. then du by dx equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, v equals to tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan q theta by 1 minus 3 tan square. This is tan 3 theta formula. Then v equals to tan inverse tan 3 theta, that is 3 theta, that is 3 theta is tan inverse x. Then dv by dx equals to 3 by 1 plus x square. Now we have to find du by dv. Du by dv means du by dx by dv by dx. That is 2 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square by 3. That is 2 by 3. So du by dv is 2 by 3. That is your final answer. That's all about. Now in this way you can differentiate two things with respect to another one. One thing with respect to another one. Put this is u, this is v, and du by dx you will get here dv by dx. Then du by dv equals to dividing both we can differentiate it. Okay. So please look through these sums and note it down and subscribe my channel. Thank you.